Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to trim a video in CapCut on desktop app. So if you also want to trim a video in CapCut on desktop app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open CapCut on your PC or laptop. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now simply import the video that you want to trim. If you do not know how to import, simply click on the import option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to import the video. You can see over here I've already imported the video. Now what you have to do is click on the video and drag it right over here. After that, you'll be able to edit the video. Trimming the video is very simple. There are multiple ways to do so. The first thing that you can do is place your cursor at the end or beginning of the video. Now what you have to do is click on it. After that, simply drag your mouse. You can see over here the video is getting trimmed. If you want to trim the video from the first, you'll have to drag your mouse to the right. Once you reach the point till which you want to trim, simply release your mouse. Repeat the same if you want to trim from the back of the video. For that, simply place your cursor at the end of the video. After that, drag your mouse towards the left. Like this, you'll be able to trim. There is also another way to trim. Over here, you'll be able to see a line. What you have to do is click on it. Now place it at the point of the video till which you want to trim. After that, what you can do is click on this icon that you can see right over here. This icon is for split, or you can also press Ctrl B on your keyboard. After that, the videos will be split. Now select the front side of the video. Now simply press delete on your keyboard. Now you can see over here it will be deleted. You can repeat the same for the last two. After that, your video will be trimmed. So that is how you trim a video in CapCut on desktop app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.